How do you know when it's truly time to say goodbye to your dog? It's one of the hardest decisions any pet owner will ever face. A moment filled with love, pain, and so many memories. But ignoring the signs can cause unnecessary suffering for both you and your furry friend. In this video, we'll gently explore the 10 signs that show when it might be time to saying goodbye to your dog. Stay till the end, because the third sign is something most owners don't realize but is so important for your dog's comfort and peace. Welcome to Pet Pulse, your go-to channel for everything about our furry friends. If you love learning about your pup's emotions, behavior, and health, then hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Let's jump into the video. Number 10. They start to withdraw from the things they love. Dogs are creatures of habit. They live for the small joys. Your touch, their favorite toy, walks in the park, or curling up near you on the couch. But when those joys start to fade for them, something deeper is happening. You might notice your dog ignoring their favorite squeaky toy or sleeping through the sound of you opening the treat jar. They may not wag their tail when you come home, or they might stop following you from room to room. At first, it feels like a mood, but it's more than that. This quiet detachment isn't a lack of love. It's a sign that their body and brain are slowing down. It's like their world is becoming smaller, and they're beginning to gently pull away. It hurts to see, but understanding it helps you show them patience instead of sadness. Just sitting beside them quietly can mean the world. Has your dog ever suddenly lost interest in their favorite thing? Let us know in the comments. Sometimes your story can help someone else feel less alone. Number 9. They become very tired all the time. A healthy dog might nap, but they bounce back fast. When a dog is near the end, that bounce starts to fade. You'll notice longer naps, slower movements. Maybe they'll sleep in unusual spots, under a bed, in a dark closet, or even by the door, and they stay there, barely moving. This deep fatigue is their body's way of saving energy, and sometimes it's the only way they can cope with the pain or weakness they're feeling. If your once active pup now spends most of the day lying still, too tired to eat, move, or lift their head when you speak, it's time to start preparing emotionally. They're not lazy. They're tired from fighting a battle we can't see. What you can do is make their rest comfortable, offer a soft, quiet space with familiar smells. Even just your voice can be soothing. Number 8. Changes in breathing. A sign you can't ignore. One of the most telling signs your dog may be close to the end is how they breathe. Dogs don't fake comfort. So when their breathing changes, like heavy panting without exercise, shallow breaths, or a new wheezing sound, you need to pay close attention. It can mean their heart is struggling or their lungs are failing to work properly. Sometimes even cancer or kidney failure causes this. One viewer once shared how her dog began to sigh in his sleep, not peacefully, but like he was gasping for calm. If you notice anything like this, don't wait. Call your vet. Let them examine what your dog might be hiding. Even just ruling out a medical emergency can bring peace of mind. Have you ever noticed strange breathing in your dog? Drop a comment if you stayed up just to watch them breathe. Number 7. They refuse food, even their favorite one. When a dog stops eating, it breaks your heart. Because dogs live for food. But when the end is near, their appetite disappears. Even that chicken they used to beg for, they'll turn away. Sometimes they won't drink water either. Their digestive system begins to slow down. Hunger fades and eating becomes a task, not a joy. You might try coaxing them, a soft snack, a treat, a hand-fed bite, but they refuse, or worse, they try, and then vomit. If your dog hasn't eaten for over a day and seems too weak to try again, their body might be signaling that it's time to rest. Instead of forcing food, try offering lukewarm broth or soft foods they used to love. Sometimes the smell alone brings a little comfort. Number 6. Sudden weight loss and frailty. One morning, you might run your hand along your dog's side and feel bones. Their muscle mass fades. They look skinnier, their eyes may appear sunken, and their frame suddenly looks fragile, like they're shrinking away. This kind of weight loss usually follows a drop in eating and activity, but sometimes it's part of a larger illness, like cancer or liver failure, draining their strength day by day. This visual change is hard to see. It makes the reality hit harder, but it also tells you something important. Your dog's body is winding down. And now, more than ever, they need your love, not your worry. You can try adding a blanket over them to keep them warm, and gently massaging their body may provide some comfort, even if you can't reverse the weight loss. If you've faced this, you're not alone. Share a moment of your pup's strongest days in the comments. We'd love to hear them together. Number 5. Accidents happen. If your dog suddenly starts having accidents inside, it's not bad behavior. It's not disobedience. It's their body losing control. Older or ill dogs often struggle to hold their bladder or bowel movements. Some might not even notice it's happening. And when they do, they often look ashamed, like they know they let you down. But the truth is, they didn't. They just need help. Lay down pee pads near their resting area. Take them out more often, even if they don't ask. And most of all, don't scold. Give them kindness. Because what feels like a mess to you feels like confusion to them. Have you ever comforted your dog after an accident? It's those moments when our love speaks the loudest. Number 4. They seem confused or distant. A dog who once lit up at your voice may now seem lost. They might stare at the wall, wander aimlessly, or stand in a corner, unsure what to do next. This cognitive decline is like doggy dementia. It's not just old age, it's a fading connection between memory and instinct. And yes, it's painful to see. They may even forget routines, like when to eat or how to ask to go out. Sometimes they'll forget your face, just for a second. But your touch still matters, your scent, your presence. They may forget your name, but never the comfort you bring. Try to maintain a calm environment, no loud noises, no rearranging furniture, and no fast movements. Just consistency and compassion. Has your dog ever looked at you like they didn't recognize you? Share your story. Sometimes those eyes are asking for help we can't explain. Number 3. They struggle to stand, walk, or climb. You call them, and they try, but their legs tremble. They slip on the floor. They hesitate at stairs they once conquered without thinking. Mobility loss is common as dogs near the end. It could be arthritis, nerve damage, weakness from disease. But the message is the same. Movement is no longer easy. You might see their back legs give out. They may collapse mid-walk or lay down halfway to their bed. When this happens, don't push them to get up again. Help them. Use a towel under their belly as a sling, or place rugs and yoga mats to stop slipping. And if they can't go outside to potty, bring the outside to them. Pee pads, soft grass patches, even just opening the window for a breeze. This isn't about fixing them, it's about easing their journey. Number 2, they cry out even when no one's around. A sudden yelp, a whimper in their sleep, or a strange bark in the middle of the night. Pain, confusion, fear, dogs can't explain what they feel. But their voice? It's their way of telling us something's wrong. When the end is near, pain may become constant. And those soft cries, they're not meant to scare you. They're meant to reach you. Talk to your vet about pain relief. There are medications that can ease discomfort even in the final days. Keep lights low. Keep music soft. Let them hear your heartbeat as they rest beside you. Have you ever stayed awake just to soothe your dog through the night? Your comfort means more than you know. Number 1. That one final look, the one that says, "It's okay." There's a moment, one you'll never forget. Your dog looks at you, really looks, and in their eyes is peace. They may rest their head in your hand, or give one last tail wag. It's a silent message. Not goodbye, but permission. They're tired, but they know you're there. And in that moment, you'll feel it. That they're ready. You don't need to be ready. You just need to be present. Hold them. Talk to them. Let your love be louder than your fear. Some people wait for a clear sign, but sometimes that sign isn't loud or dramatic. It's quiet. It's brave. It's the look that says, "Thank you for loving me all the way to the end." If you've ever seen this look, you already know. Tell us what your dog's eyes told you. We'll listen. If your dog shows even a few of these signs, it means they trusted you more than anything. Which of these signs have you seen before? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos that help you understand your dog's behavior, emotions, and needs. And if you want to understand your dog's heart even deeper, check out 10 Things a Dog Will Never Forgive. It's an informative video every dog parent should see.